Si Yao Ming yata di maabot yung love pass na yun. Error there for Baroka, but Smart Gilas still in control here. 1967. With under 3 minutes remaining in the fourth, Kirby Raimundo fires a three. That's another rebound for C.J. Giles. 16 rebounds for Giles.
Well, you see that the Power 18 really isn't running plays. In contrast, you've got Smart Gilas using patterns, and I guess it's no knock on Power 8. It's just that they didn't have enough time to practice, and C.J. Giles connecting on the slammer, on the alley-oop. Oh, this is an exclamation point. And a strong statement that Smart Gilas is a team to watch in the coming PBA Philippine Cup.
Chris Chu locating C.J. Giles. That's what you call an alley-oop.
C.J. Giles, boy, he liked that shot. Ilan na ba nagagawa nitong Giles? 21 big points for C.J.
Make that 22. As we approach the last 2 minutes of the fourth and final quarter, James Yap, Kirby against Maji Sison. Maji Sison getting his first appearance tonight. Maji Sison playing out of the University of the Philippines. It's a foul against Kirby Raimundo. And Kirby Raimundo fouls out. After scoring 5 points. And Ranadel De Ocampo takes the place of Kirby Raimundo on the floor. And that will send Chris Chu to the line. Of course, Chris Chu led Ateneo to the UAP Championship last year. And has launched a very successful TV hosting career as well. Endorsing a cavalcade of products left and right.
He's a man of many talents. But I think his heart is with basketball. And he's such a nice guy too.
Of course, he's from Ateneo. What do you expect?
Well, there are exceptions.
Under 2 minutes remaining here in the fourth quarter. And Baroka is up against J.R. Reyes, and Baroka will miss. Baroka got his own miss, and he misses again. Maji Sison on an offensive rebound.
It's just a dominating show off the boards here for Smart Gilas. They've just dominated the boards.
10 to shoot. 1 minute remaining in the fourth. Chris Chu setting up J.R. Kawaling for three.
More outside shooting coming from Smart Gilas.
Here's J.R. Reyes. Rebound by Chris Chu.
You know, we've always heard in the NBA, you don't settle for the jump shots, you go for the high percentage shot. But with Smart Gilas, they are so comfortable with that medium range distance shooting that it's okay for Coach Toraman to have his players score from that distance. So they look for 100 points. Oh, that
basket won't count.
Yes, but it won't count. That would have broken the century mark for Smart Gilas. PBA scored only 11 points in the fourth period.
Four seconds remaining. And that will do it. Smart Gilas winning convincingly 98-69 against Powerade Team Pilipinas. CJ Giles doing damage on both ends.
So this battle between the present and the future, can we now say that the torch has been passed? Maybe not. However, the responsibility is now on the shoulders of Smart Gilas and the national team to represent our country in future international tournaments. So I guess you might say the torch has been passed. The next Asian Games, you will see this team represent our country as well as in the next FIBA Asian Championship.
That's the final score, 98-69. A huge win here for the Smart Gilas national team over the Powerade team Pilipinas. And the Smart Gilas squad in prayer here at the end of this victorious conquest